On which of the following intervals is f of x equals sine x concave up on the interval -2 pi 4 pi? All right, so let's try to graph sine x on that interval. Remember, sine x starts on the origin, goes up and then down, and then up and then down, and then repeats. Okay, now why did I stop right there? I'm going out to 4 pi, and it has a period of 2 pi every time. So your 2 pi and your 4 pi. I wanted to go back to -2 pi, so I'm going to draw an entire period. So bang, bang, bang. I could have drawn that a lot better, but you know what? I'm not here to win an art award. So you're at -2 pi. Okay? What do I want? I want concave up. Okay, so you are concave down, you are concave up right here, okay? You are concave down, you are concave up right here. Just draw that better. You are concave up right here. And so if you're wondering what are these in-between points, well, they're literally halfway in between 2 pi. -2 pi, so you're -1 pi, your regular old pi, you're 3 pi. So it looks like it's concave up, okay, between and not including, because, you know, the pi's are the actual inflection points. So it looks like it's concave up from -pi to 0, union, pi to 2 pi, union, and then 3 pi to 4 pi, and that looks like it's going to be B. Fun, fun.